Rare earth minerals is in the news. So let me quickly tell you everything you need to know about rare earth minerals as far as a stock investor is concerned. Ever wonder why it is called rare earth? It is not because the mineral is available rare on the earth crust. It is because it is very tough to mine and refine and get the final product of this rare earth mineral. The process involves extracting, mining it from the earth crust. Then it is mixed with a lot of other minerals and materials and impurities. So you have to first refine it using process called flotation. Then you have to clean it further, process called leaching. After leaching, then you have to further refine it, and other processes are involved in that. End of the day, you get the refined rare earth mineral. Now, why this is important? This is used in a lot of materials, including semiconductor, electronics, which finds application in defense, day-to-day electronics items, and literally everything you speak of, including the fighter jets and your mobile phone itself. So if some stocks are involved in this rare earth mining, refining, or anything related to rare earth, obviously the valuations will be higher, and the valuation multiple can go very high if they are planning to start it soon. So there can be a huge value unlocking if you hold some shares bought at a right price. Going forward, the valuations jump so high, even if the profitability is not there, the stock is supposed to go to very high PE valuations because the market prices in the future earnings and then the stock price goes high. In the recent budget, the Indian government has allocated 7,280 crore for manufacturing sintered rare earth permanent magnets. Also, the intention of the government is to set up a 6,000 metric ton per annum of these magnets, starting from the rare earth oxides to the final end product, that is permanent magnets. These magnets finds its application in wind turbines, aerospace, mobile applications, and much more. Around 6,500 crore sales linked incentives also has been announced by the government in this budget, so that a push happens in the rare earth manufacturing. Capital subsidies of around 750 crore and other customs duty exemptions are also brought in, so that this rare earth mineral and the permanent magnet manufacturing gets a push, so that we reach that ultimate goal of becoming sustainable and one of the major manufacturers of rare earth minerals worldwide. Currently, as we speak, we only produce around 1% of the rare earth minerals worldwide. India is having almost 5% of rare earth mineral reserves, which is yet to be tapped. I can quickly discuss about two stocks, which is Coal India Limited and NMDC. I would have spoken about GMDC, Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation. They are into lignite mining and they are also soon going into rare earth mineral mining. But then the valuations are also important here. Stock has given a recent rally. So I will concentrate on NMDC and Coal India. Coal India is into coal mining, but then they are getting a lot of traces of rare earth minerals in their mining. So they may plan to set up a rare earth mining system as well, because government is also going to give subsidies to almost 5 to 6 firms for this permanent magnet and rare earth mineral incentives. So these companies may find their place, because NMDC and Coal India both are direct PSUs, and they may find their edge over others. NMDC also is at a better valuation and Coal India is also at better valuations. Comparative valuations are cheaper, so you may look into this. This is not an investment advice, but keeping this in your watch list and exploring further developments may help you unlock immense value going forward. The government has proposed to set up rare earth metal corridors in states like Kerala, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Something you have to take care here is that this is a very volatile space and there can be anticipation and predictions by various firms and advisors. So don't get carried away by the wrong tips or information and get invested in wrong stocks and destroy your wealth. So stay informed, do your own research, and then only get into this high potential futuristic sector for your stock investing. See you next video. Till then, happy investing.